About this item: MMOBIEL Dock Connector Compatible with iPad Air 1, 2013, A1474, A1475, A1476/iPad 5, 2017, A1822, A1823 Charging Port Connector Flex Cable including tools and 2x screws for an easy installation. Comprehensive set, including 2x screwdriver for easy installation. Compatibility: compatible with iPad Air A1474, A1475, A1476/iPad 6 2018 9.7-inch, A1893, A1954/iPad 5 2017 9.7-inch, A1822, A1823. Important: please check the model number of your device before purchasing this item. You can find the model type of your device on your device and/or in the settings. Easy installation, accurate replacement part used to replace the broken damaged part. Perfect fit. Sie müssen für diese Reparatur keine Technik sein. High quality product by Mobile, all parts are tested before shipment. Item in stock, shipped by Amazon US.